like 3-4 hours. The wind is pounding into where I want to go fishing, so there's a pretty big chop. It's really windy. I may have to pull the boat out and go to the other side of the lake. I don't know if I can even make it across the lake, but I'm going to try to hit a spot here where I know there's been some bass recently and see if I can get some big ones. That's what I thought. Oh, well, there was the first bass of the day. Lost it. About 10 minutes in. That's a nice bass. Crush it. That was the very next cast. That's a nice fish, dude. 3-pounder for sure. First official bass, 18 inches. I've been getting a lot of these lately and they're just up here fat and getting ready. There's a nice one. Well, no dorsal fin. Super stubby. There's another fat one. Probably another 3-pounder. Just under, maybe. 17. Inch shorter than the last one. Nice fish though. Definitely fatter. Definitely thick. Smaller than the last one, much smaller. Like a little 14. Got a leech there in his fin. Get that off there for him. Nice fish. So I was out here yesterday and there was all giant females, and now that the water temps have hit like 50, these smaller males coming in. I mean, I don't really know how to tell the difference. That might be a small female or a fat male, who knows, but smaller fish today. Fish number 6, same size. I went down to a farther spot. Those were some of the biggest waves I've ever plowed through. Let's see if I can get a couple more fish before I gotta head out. Number 10. Yes, sir. Biggest fish of the day for sure. Huge chop right now. Big bass though. That's gonna be a 3.5er for sure. I'm about to crash into a rock bar though. Yeah, 18. I guess I did catch one about that size, but just another giant fish. At least for Wisconsin. Fish of the day. 13. Fish. It's a nice one. Super thick. Probably another 17. Definitely nothing crazy big like yesterday. Yeah, over 3 pounds though. Heck yeah, 3 pounders. Alright, I'm pulling out and relaunching somewhere else because this wind is crazy, getting totally blown off. I'm thinking if I drive to the other side of the lake, I might be able to actually get into a slack pocket. So let's see if I can make that happen or if it's a waste of my drive, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. Spot. Alright, new spot, another nice bass here, coming up super shallow. It took about 5 minutes to catch this one. Heck yeah. Nice fish, new spot, less wind. Fish. Another bass. Tiny one. Just wanted to let you know that, you know, there's fish here. Just in case you want to come out. Alright, little guy. definitely not a fighter. That one choked it, a little like 14 incher, another fatty. There's another one. Another 14, well, seems to be a little bit smaller class of fishing here. Oh, it's 15, okay, so I thought it was 14, it's 15. A little bit smaller class of fish on this side of the lake, but there's a couple big ones mixed in here. Well, that's a nice bass. Here we go, it's a bird. That's a bucket. Dang, dude. That's what we're looking for. Just choked it. Wow, that was tough. It was barely hooked though. This is a big bass. Big bass. Let's see if it can be the biggest one of the day. It can't be. It's about 18, which means it's probably 3.5 pounds. That's not a bad, like, average fish to be having for this weekend. Number 16. Ooh, it's a pike. Ew. Thought for a second I might make it through the day. But unfortunately, we got a slimer. There he is for you, nice and pale. That's gonna wrap it up for me today. It is super windy. I got out here for like 4 hours. It's just been a rough and brutal spring for this wind. Like, this whole weekend was like 25 to 30 mile an hour winds out here, but the fish have finally moved up. So I caught 17 bass and a pike today, which is pretty darn good. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.